こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 29 of JLPT N4, and this is the part 5 of intransitive verbs. This video is the continuation of the previous video, so we're going to learn 自動詞 intransitive verb in TE form and います, and this is the state. In the previous video, we learned these two verbs. Something が濡れる something gets wet or something を濡らす I make something wet or I let something wet. Now the opposite. Something gets dry something が乾く乾きます This is intransitive verb and group 1. 乾く乾きます乾いて乾いた乾かない Now the transitive pair of this verb, something を乾かす It means I make something dry or I dry something を乾かす And this is transitive verb and also group 1. 乾かす乾かします乾かして乾かした乾かさない The laundry is dry. In this case, this is the state. The laundry is dry. So this is why we use 乾いて TE form and います乾いています Because if we use 乾く or 乾きます it means it's gonna dry in the future. The laundry, we say 洗濯物 物 this means the things. The 洗濯物 this is laundry. And 洗濯します This is the verb to do laundry or to wash clothes with washing machine. In washing machine, we say 洗濯機 This 機 this means machine. So the machine for the laundry 洗濯機 washing machine and 洗濯物 the laundry. So now you know these three words. In this way, you can learn more vocabularies. 掃除します This means to clean, like to clean the house. And 掃除機 here again, 機 the machine. 掃除機 this is vacuum cleaner. The verb 乾く to dry or to get dry and 乾燥機 You see the same kanji, this 乾燥 it means dryness. The noun dryness. And 乾燥機 here again the machine. 乾燥機 This is the clothes dryer. The laundry is dry. This is the state. 洗濯物が乾いています。洗濯物が乾いています。This towel is not dry yet. Towels, we say タオル、タオル。このタオルはまだ乾いていません。このタオルは、まだ乾いていません。It's bad weather today, so the laundry doesn't get dry easily. In this sentence, this is not the state. It doesn't mean this is dry, but in this case, it doesn't get dry. So in here, we don't use TE form and います but we use only like this 乾きます or 乾きません It's a good weather 天気がいいです It's bad weather 天気が悪いです今日は天気が悪いですから洗濯物がなかなか乾きません。今日は天気が悪いですから洗濯物がなかなか乾きません。Now let's see one example of transitive verb. Something を乾かす。I dry something. Please dry your hair with a hair dryer. Hair dryer, hair dryer, hair dryer. And also we can omit this one here and only ドライヤー ヘアドライヤーで、ドライヤーで髪の毛を乾かしてください。ヘアドライヤーで髪の毛を乾かしてください。ドライヤーで髪の毛を乾かしてね。To say in Japanese, I'm thirsty, we use this expression. 喉が渇きました。喉が渇いた。Just the same pronunciation and intonation as 乾く and this 乾く. The same, but only the kanji is different, but the conjugation is also the same. Meaning is almost the same. 喉 This is throat. Throat gets dry. So, 喉が渇きました。I'm thirsty. You can also say 喉が渇いています。It's almost the same meaning. I'm thirsty. Next intransitive verb that we're gonna learn is this one. すきます。This kanji is sora, the sky. And here we can pronounce two ways, but here the first すきます. It means to get empty. To say, I'm hungry. お腹が空いた。My stomach got empty. And also say the same meaning. お腹が空いています。The state. This is also I'm hungry. This verb, すきます is intransitive verb and group 1. すきます。すく。空いて。空いた。すかない。And when we say in TE Form 空いています this can mean the state that there are not so many people. There are just few people, or there are just few cars on the street. So this is 空いています This is the state. The street is empty on Sundays. 日曜日は道が空いています。日曜日は道が空いています。In the weekend morning, trains are empty. This means maybe it's not empty, but I mean there are not so many people. 週末の朝、電車は空いています。週末の朝、電車は空いています。This verb with this kanji, sometimes we can pronounce with 空きます。It's also intransitive verb and group 1. 空きます。空く。空いて。空いた。開かない。The meaning changes when we pronounce すきます and 空きます。When we say すきます it means usually there are lots of people or lots of cars. But today, 空いています this means there are fewer, so there are more space. When we pronounce with 空きます and this means to get empty totally. It's empty. Or it's fly. It's not occupied. Excuse me, is this seat available? The seat. 席。すみません。この席。空いていますか？すみません。この席空いていますか？ Other intransitive verb to get crowded, to be crowded. 混みます。This is the opposite of すきます。混みます is also intransitive verb and group 1. 混みます。混む。混んで。混んだ。混まない。TE Form 混んで and います。混んでいます。This is the state. Oh, it's crowded. It's so crowded with people or cars. Subways are crowded every morning around 8:30. 地下鉄は毎朝8時半ごろとても混んでいます。地下鉄は毎朝8時半ごろとても混んでいます。 As the bargain sale is going to begin from tomorrow, I think the department store will be crowded. In this sentence, I'm gonna talk about the future. I think it will be crowded, so I can use here in just the 混む the dictionary form 混むと思います。混むと思います。I think it will be crowded. Intransitive verb something begins something が始まるを始まります。On the other hand, transitive verb I begin something something を始める。明日からバーゲンセールが始まるからを始まりますからデパートは混むと思います。明日からバーゲンセールが始まるからデパートは混むと思います。In New Year's days, the temples and sanctuaries are really crowded. Do you know the difference between otera temples and jinja sanctuaries? I already made several videos about temples or also about the sanctuaries, but in my karate video number 39, I explained the differences between otera and jinja. You can find this video from the karate, the playlist of the karate or the playlist of the culture. お正月はお寺と神社はとても混んでいます。お正月、お寺と神社はとても混んでいます。The last intransitive verb today is 遅れます。遅れます。To be late or to be delayed. In Japanese, when we talk in the present tense, for example, like this, 遅れます, it means future. when we say something up in the present tense, this means the future, okay? Or the second way, this is the something like an attitude. Sorry, I'm gonna be a little bit late. This sentence, I'm talking about the future. I'm gonna be late. I will get late. So I'm gonna talk in this way. 遅れます。すみません。少し遅れます。すみません。ちょっと遅れます。This verb 遅れます is the same in adjective. E adjective 遅い。遅い it means slow or late. And we use the same kanji. Oh, the train is delayed. 電車が遅れています。電車が遅れています。This clock is 1 hour slow. この時計は1時間遅れています。この時計は1時間遅れています。Now a quiz time with 5 translations into Japanese. 1番目 There is not even one room available in this hotel. 2番目 The laundry is not dry yet. 3番目 The movie theater that I went yesterday was empty. Not so many people, just few people. 4番目東京ディズニーランド is always crowded. 5番目、最後です。The airplane is 10 minutes delayed. This was the 5th video of intransitive verb, and I'm sure you understand it much better, right? And still, I'm gonna continue more, so I think you'll understand them much better. If you think this video could help you, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can continue learning Japanese with me. And if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. いかがでしたか？今日は自動詞の5番目のビデオでした。自動詞を定型にして、その後います を使って状態、状況を示す使い方をさらにもっと詳しく勉強しました。自動詞はまだ続きますから、今は難しいなと思ってもだんだん慣れていくと思いますよ。皆さんの日本語の勉強に役立つように少しずつ優しく丁寧に説明しています。これからもこのように頑張って続けていくつもりですから、ぜひ応援してくださいね。そのために私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。もちろん、いいねボタンとチャンネル登録もしてくださったら本当に嬉しいです。では次のビデオでまたお会いできるのをとっても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てね。じゃあね。またね。